Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. I am going to do a very quick tutorial on how to balayage your hair, girl. So I have been receiving hella compliments on this hair color and I just want to show you how I got it. It's super easy and right now it's showing up on a more like brown type thing. I don't know, but it's really like an ash brown with some like light ash blonde balayageness. And I'm going to show you how to do a subtle version, which is going to be like this picture. And I'm going to show you how to do a more intense version using the same technique. So it's a 2-for-1. Like, you don't need no skills and shit to do this. You just need patience. So yeah, if you want to get some color for the summer, be a pen gal ting, keep on watching. Y'all, don't get caught off guard when you see two different wigs. I'm really just giving you a Beyonce 2-for-1 special. It's the same technique throughout the video that I used on both wigs. The only difference is step number one. Step number one, you put your lightening cap on and then you use a needle to pull out the desired amount of hair. If you want a more subtle look, you're going to pull out very little amount of hair. If you want a more dramatic, intense look, you're going to pull out a shit ton of hair. So that is basically the only thing. And you just kind of have to eyeball it, like just eyeball it. And when you're doing it, like make sure you're not pulling on your thread. So make sure you're not scooping that needle up. You want to just literally just be like poking at it and pulling out. The needle will do the work for you, promise you. So now we go into step number 2, where we're gonna actually section off the hair. Now this is very easy. I did about 4 on the left of my head, 4 on the right of my head, and then about 5 down the center in the middle. And I use these clear elastic bands to section off my hair and create these ponytails, but you can use whatever you want to section. I highly recommend using a scrunchie or elastic bands, but yeah, section off the hair. So step 3, you're gonna now bleach the hair. Now this part is pretty easy. I know people get scared of bleach, but just hear me out. So you can use 2 different techniques. I go in between both of them. So my 2 techniques that I like to use is the painting technique, where you're basically using your hand. So I'll go starting at the bottom, just run my fingers through the bleach and kind of like paint it on. And then I also would use my brush in a very like making vertical strokes to make sure that I'm not creating any harsh lines. So you'll see me going through both of these techniques. So sometimes I will switch and I'll use my brush towards the end. Sometimes I will paint it on, and then sometimes I will, just use my brush vertically to kind of like blend those things out. I didn't go too high because I wanted to be on the side of precaution, but do you, boo. However high you want to go, you go as high as you want to go. But for me, I felt like if I go too high, it will be more of like a highlight look, and I was really trying to avoid that. So once you put the bleach on, you let that shit sit for as long as you need it to sit to get the desired color. I was trying to get yellow. I go on a whole fucking bleaching rant on my how to bleach knots video, which is in the info cards. But yeah, I'm trying to reach a yellow color. The great thing about BlondMe, which I also talk in my bleach and knots video, is that this is a oil-based developer, or well, the bleach is not, but the developer that I use along with the bleach is oil-based, so it doesn't dry the hair. So you don't have to wash it out and reapply. Like, I just let this shit sit for like 2.5 hours, 3 hours, and it's gonna get to my desired color. Now, if you have whack ass hair, I can't help you, sis. I tried to highlight like really horrible hair, and it was just like, ugh. And the horrible hair that I'm referring to is icy hair. I don't know why people like that hair. Icy hair was not taken to that bleach, sis. So long story short, know your hair. Okay, so then step 4, you'll wash it out. So I like using blue-based shampoos and conditioner whenever I'm doing anything with bleach, because more than likely I'm not gonna get high enough. So I'm washing it out, and then we are gonna put the desired color on, and that is the last step. For the look in the green top, I use Revlon's Light Ash Blonde to get this look. And I just literally put the bleach, sorry, not the bleach, I put the hair dye all over my hair. Like the bleach parts, the unbleached parts, but I left the roots a little black. And it's so simple, guys. It didn't even make sense for me to record it. Like, just listen to me. For the more intense color, I use Wella Color Charm Liquid number 0811 8N Light Blonde Hair Color. So all of these things will be in the description box, but that is the color that I use for the more intense color. But literally all of the steps are the same besides the hair color that I decided to use, and obviously how much hair I took out. So if you follow these steps, like, you're gonna get the desired hair color or balayage that you want. And that is basically it. Imagine just walking like this. No, but okay. On a serious note, can we talk about this blend? This lace is melted. Ah! So I will have a video up soon on how to, like, not be out here looking like you wearing a wig and shit, and making your shit look as natural as possible, because I'm not gonna hold you. Like, when you get up to someone's face, you will see that lace, but you should not be able to see that lace from here. You know what I'm saying? Like, from this angle, you should not be able to see that lace. And if you do, you're probably doing something wrong. So stay tuned for that video. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe that you guys want to see hair on this channel. But yeah, I will try and do some more hair videos. And yeah, let's kind of finesse everything. We're gonna finesse hair, we're gonna finesse life, we just gonna finesse some more. So, 'tis all. Thanks again. If you like what you saw, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay? Bye.